Is there any luck yet?
There is no sign yet, Your Majesty.
How can you say that? Why can't you find an end to this endless shouting from her? Listen, that she has been pregnant for 12 years is not my business, because I know she is going to deliver when she wants to deliver. But I want this endless shouting to stop. If you cannot get the gods to stop the shouting, can you at least use your own power as the chief priest to stop it?
Your Majesty, be patient.
Be patient? No, how can you possibly say that? For 12 years she has been shouting like this. I am no longer comfortable in this house because I cannot sleep. Can't you find a way to stop this so that I can have a moment of peace in my own house? What is wrong with you?
Her shouting can only be decided by the gods.
Don't tell me that, please.
I am just a mere messenger.
Don't tell me that, please.
Sent by the gods.
Do something. How am I even sure you're doing anything?
I have done it. I am just a mere messenger. Sent by the gods.
Hey!
What? Can't you stop? Even if they don't want you to stop, for the peace of the people around you, can't you just stop?
Your Majesty, the youths of this kingdom are boiling, and they have decided that if you have no solution to the present predicament of this community, you have to step down for a new king to emerge.
Izuna, had it been I am not suffering the affliction, I would have felt very much ashamed of myself as the king. But as you know, I am suffering the same affliction. I have been under the same pain for 12 years now, like everybody. I am pained. I am devastated. And I have been doing my best as king. I feel you should channel this energy to Ezamuma, the chief priest. He should be the one that should be telling us why the gods are silent.
Your Majesty, you need to leave Ezamuma out of this. Did you forget that his father was the former chief priest of this community? And he died immediately after revealing to us that the calamity befallen this community is out of the atrocity committed in this royal house. Your Majesty. The following day, he died.
Are you not accusing the Igwe of killing our former chief priest?
I didn't say that. Oh no. But the sudden death of our former chief priest is suspicious. Did you forget that after revealing the secret that the calamity befallen the kingdom is out of the atrocity committed by the royal house, immediately after then, he died the following day?
Listen, I am not going to take any further accusation from you on this. I know why you feel this way, and I know where this is coming from. But I am telling you for the last time that I have no hand in any of this. Take the cost, remains of that person that you brought to my gate for burial. And let this be the very last time you will bring any dead body near my abode.
So you prefer bring a friend to that old witch than be our friend? Are you okay at all?
I am not. Let me pass.
Why? Why have you chosen her over us? What benefits are you gaining from her that you can't gain from the both of us? Like, it seems this guy is getting abnormal.
I said I am not normal. Let me pass.
Imagine. You may not be our friend. But you will have to stop whatsoever that is going on between you and that woman. You have to stop going to her place. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Good.
Out of my way.
Since you find it very difficult to understand, she means you should throw this miserable cutlass inside the bush and walk away with us right now.
You will not tell me what to do. I will do what I want to do.
Really? See.
Hey!
If you touch me, I will wipe both of you with this stick now.
I would have used the cutlass, but I don't want to kill. So just stay out of my way.
Just imagine. Funaya! Yeah. Imagine.
What is all this? Why is my own different? Why is my life like this? At least no one will say I have not tried. I have done everything. I have sold practically everything. Everyone drinks tea in the morning. Everyone wash and brush their teeth every day. Yet no one comes to my shop to even ask me if I have clean. Even God, what is this? What kind of life is this? Should I just end it all?
Yes, good morning.
Choma, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Janet, how are you? I'm fine.
Okay, I went to your shop to get some things because I want to wash clothes, but you were not there.
I went home to drop things.
Okay.
So can we go back to the shop?
Sure.
I want to say, pardon my manners. I just want to say hi to you. Hi, how are you? Say hi to Hi to who? Hi to who? Do you know this young man?
I don't know him.
What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? Oga, what is the meaning of what? She said she doesn't know you. What is the meaning of what?
So why are you ranting?
Take your motor and leave this place, Oga.
Are you okay? Do you know who you're talking to?
Look at this ritualist. Look at this Yahoo boy. This is ordinary Yahoo boy.
You're calling me a ritualist? Okay,
Okay, be Yahoo boy.
okay, good, fine. I admit it. I'm a Yahoo boy. So who are you?
Huh? My name is Ezekweche. You know, my name is Ezekweche. Oga.
Oh, I begin to say, oh, he's your boyfriend, right? And you're even saying it with all your mind, all your chest.
Yes.
Look at him very well.
This
is someone you decide to date? Someone who's just even who is as wretched as an hunter? I don't understand. Just look at yourself. The most expensive thing that you're putting on right now, I think it's your bedroom slippers, because these shirts are looking like some kind of clothes for farmers.
Fire you there! Fire you again! Look, if I disturb at the vessel, come on, fire!
And I'm not sure you're the one that go hide this hair.
Not at all, oh.
Because this hair look very expensive. You can't even afford it. Why don't you leave her for me to take care of her?
Go polish your generation. Your generation, I ain't gonna go polish. For this
Poverty has eaten all over you to the point that you don't even know how to respect people. You even stinks. You stinks.
No, your mama will boy, you like this thing. Your papa will boy, you like this thing. All of them for our family, they stink. As she start herself, they stink. Idiot. Get away. I got my clothes on. Idiot. We shall see. Yeah, boy. Which one is? You? I'm sure that is head.
You want to try to know.
Come, get away. You can't just go to for here. You don't get up. Look at them. Stupid.
Here's the question. If you don't want rich guys to be admiring your girlfriend, you go and make money and stop fighting a lost battle.
Who is this one? Look at so over Papa teddy bear. I will just use back and deflate your face now. I'm talking to my girlfriend.
Don't talk to me that way again. In fact, I'm going home.
Look at the kind of friend you keep. Akura. Poor things. Your papa is going you. Stop telling me that. You cause this nonsense. If not, this Yahoo boy will not stop here. And they want to use you for this trust. You're telling me let's go.
I don't know him.
Senses. Eh? What are you doing with a guy that just admitted that he's a Yahoo boy and he's into rituals?
Choma, he's not a Yahoo boy. He's a business guy. He said that because of what your boyfriend told him.
Even if he's Dangote's son, I don't want.
Choma, are you okay? Eh? Are you normal at all? You speak as if you are under a spell or what? I don't get.
It's okay. It is very wrong for you to say that she's into a spell. She's in love, not a spell. I'm very sorry. My actions turned out to be an insult to your boyfriend. I was only trying to admire a beautiful damsel, and it got me provoked with the way it spoke to me. I'm really, really sorry, okay?
Okay. You've seen a beautiful girl, and I've heard you. Can you go your way now?
I will, but one more thing. Are you trying to say I can't be a friend to a beautiful girl like you, please?
Even if you act nicely, I won't still accept.
Choma! This girl is not okay at all. This can never be okay. This girl is stupidly in love with that poor wretched fool called a boyfriend.
It's okay, it's okay. 1 minute. Here is my complimentary card. I would love to invite you to come join me for lunch.
Wow.
Yes.
I will be so, in fact, we will be so glad.
I will be more happy if you can come with her, okay?
Thank you so much. Don't worry. I will.
Alright.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Igwe demands your presence at the palace.
And why is His Majesty summoning me? Is there a problem?
If there's any, you will know when we get to the palace. Let's go.
Come, woman. Where are your children? Hmm?
They should be where they said they will be.
They should be where they said they will be. As for Obiozo, I can understand that one. He'll probably be running after animals in the bush right now. But what of Ifunanya? Why is she not here? Eh?
That's true. From what she told me, she's supposed to be here by now. What's keeping her?
And what was that she told you?
She said she wants to go and do some house chores for Mbafu.
That's true. Even at that, she's still supposed to be here. This is the farming period.
She's coming. What kept you so long?
Papa, I know I'm late, but before the end of the day, I'll cover more distance than you.
Ah. What is that one? Where is that one coming from?
Okay, Papa, let's just make a deal. If by the end of the day I clear more distance than you, the next meat we'll cook, I'll eat your own share of the meat, except the gizzard.
Look at your daughter. Okay. It is a challenge. I accept. Eh? I accept the challenge, the deal, the bet. Eh? How do I know that you will not cheat me?
Mama, just sit down and watch the competition.
Let us begin. Wait. How would we measure this thing so that you don't cheat me? Eh?
Okay, you push start from here.
Here.
Yes, go and stand where he is.
You be referee, oh. Okay.
Was there no hunting in the forest before the affliction befell our land? Did the affliction come from the bushmen or it came from the gods? Why is everyone blaming Obiozo? The elders of this land eat Obiozo's bushmeat. The youths here eat Obiozo's bushmeat. Even our children are not just successful. Why is everyone looking for an scapegoat? We should pray that the gods answer us quickly. That is expected. I repeat, no one should come to this palace except it is something important. I beg to take my leave.
Igwe, I beg to take my leave too. You have been shouting non-stop. Where do you even draw your strength that you cannot just find one day that you can give us peace in this house? What is this? Can't you just die? No, can't you just die and allow us have peace in this house? Please! Die! What is that? Die! Die!
God's the Father!
Papa, I'm not happy. Why is that only if Unanya family are the one progressing in this village? Why? What happened to us?
I have told you time without number. Stop bothering yourself about Ifunanya and her family. Eh? This is the will of the gods.
Papa, it is not the will of the gods.
But the will of who?
It's the will of that witchcraft. Let's give her power that make them to progress.
And what do you want me to do over it?
Papa, I'm not happy.
I'm going out. Take care of your house. Huh?
Papa, I'm not happy. Oh. I won't fight like this. I'm not happy. What's why do they want to be suffering? Eh? I'm not happy.
Chuma, why are you not picking your calls? Chuma, why are you not taking your course now? You promised to... Chuma, you promised to bring food for me this afternoon. This is almost evening and you're not here. Hunger will want me to do. I don't understand what's...
My God! Hello, my God! Hello, my manners man! You see, I wasn't coming direct to this place. But something reproductive, I mean, something important made me to come to your shop. Hello!
Hi! What is it? Can't you see I'm not interested in your rubbish? Look, take this your foolishness elsewhere. Get out of my shop.
See, I am very, very happy now. In fact, I am satisfied. When someone say, if I say hello, someone say hi, it makes me to feel so high, so elated. It makes me to feel like someone who smoke marijuana. See, it triggers the self-acquired information that can burst like a bomb. When it explodes, everywhere will be affected. See, let me tell you something. Your Otonoboro, your tomato juice, is with another man.
Listen and listen very good. The next time I will tell you that I'm not interested in your foolishness, I'll do that with a dirty slap. I said get out of my shop and you're laughing.
As I'm talking to you, your sweetheart, the bone of your bone, the cord of your cord, your spirit of your spirit is somewhere smooshing, kissing. Yes, and Janet is there. Is there live and direct with her?
Janet is there?
Yes!
Janet is there?
Of course!
Listen, if I leave this shop and find out that you're lying to me, I will kill you. I will tear you to pieces.
Tell me to be somebody that have already been broken. Your heart has been broken. Which side? You have to wait. See, which side? Calm down. You need to calm your nerves down. See, I have to show you. Come on, show me. Allow me to explain the kind of man to you guys.
Where do you see her?
Follow me. I'm breaking so slow.
No, stop. Stop, please now.
It's okay.
Stop.
Bye.
I thought you've talked about this.
Get out.
Come on. Get out!
I said get out.
Now God just save you today.
Thank you very much for listening to me. I really do appreciate.
You don't have to thank me. Yes. My plan was to keep him here for 2 weeks before deciding what I would do to him. But because of the agreement we had, that was why I decided to let him go. So, if we're not deal, then tell me.
I will keep to the deal.
Janet, you heard her. You heard her very well. Good. Not somebody will be doing what he's supposed to do, then you people will be saying this person is being wicked. So it's better you tell me what's on your mind now and let me just stay on my own.
Is it not just to go out with you for 2 weeks? I will. Just let him be.
I am his witness.
Oh, Janet, please stop this your game. Enough.
Boys.
Let's go.
I hope it's not the bread that you're supposed to say you're eating. Is it what it?
Hey!
What is it?
Hey! What kind of God are we serving? A God of talk and do. Yeah! God, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So you came back alive? Hey! This is a wonderful handwork of God.
What nonsense are you talking about? Were you expecting me to die there?
See? You didn't understand. You didn't understand the velocity of the tentacle you are standing upon. Yes, I have to break it down for you in Swahili language. In fact, I want it to break it down for you. Hello?
What are you doing in my shop? What are you doing in my shop, Zubby?
Let me break it down for you before you apply the law of transfer aggression to me.
Go ahead, say it.
Because of what I saw, I didn't mean that you should go there. In fact, I mean that you should go there and see for yourself and come back. Not for you to go there and challenge. In fact, to go and challenge the almighty Kanayo.O.Kanayo. The deadliest striker in this area. In fact, that man is ready to swallow you alive. He is capable of burying you and nobody will ask of you.
Eh? So you're part of this plan? No, so you are part of the plan. You knew they are going to beat me like this, and you sneaked out without telling me.
Sneaking is a part of our plan. Sneaking is a part of. I sneak out so that I can go and make arrangement for your burial. It's okay now. Please. Let me tell you something before you kill me, please. Let me tell you something. You see, it's summer that plan for how you have to be released.
What nonsense are you talking about? My Choma?
Yes, now.
My Choma?
Yes.
Shut up. Choma cannot do anything like that.
How do you think that you can be released without her? Yes.
I told them now.
Told them what?
I told them that if they beat me more than this, I'll get them arrested. I'll go and report them in the police station. Yes, now. What do you mean, Choma? Please don't involve my Choma.
See, let me tell you something that you don't know. It's like you're playing with fire. You don't know this boy I'm talking about. I mean, Kanayo.O.Kanayo. Obu stops. This boy is the deadliest striker here. In fact, this boy beat up a barrister in this area. He beat him up, locked him up, and slept with his 2 daughters in his presence. And yes! And the barrister cannot do anything. Talk about of your own.
Zubby,
Eh?
you see the boy?
It's the boy! It's the boy I'm talking about.
No, now Choma cannot do anything like that now. How?
You have to thank your God, though. You don't know.
I made a deal with him.
Oh!
You did what? My friend, not take me for a fool. How can you say that rubbish?
They did this for us to just go out and nothing more.
What do you take me for? A fool?
Why are you shouting at me?
Why would I shout at you, my friend?
If you didn't cause any trouble there, Would that have happened?
Why are you not the one that took her there? Why not?
I didn't go out with him. I went out with Janet. And he was there.
You stayed back. No, they buried the placenta there.
I need to prove to him that I'm not like other girls. I'm in charge.
How long will you keep quiet there in charge? You're not in charge of anything. You're in charge of rubbish.
This is one problem I have with you. You've allowed poverty to affect you so much than the people that loves you. And I don't like that about you.
Choma, is it me you're talking to like that?
Anya, are you not done with the beans?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
Mama, good afternoon.
You are back.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Is it you are back after how many years?
Mama, do you think I have no intention of coming back to this village? Mama, remember I swore that I would never step my feet in this dark kingdom again until I find light in the city.
Eh? Have you found the light?
Mama, I have come to speak to the gods of this land in a language and manner they will understand. Mama, I think the gods of this land are hurting me intentionally. I mean, nothing I do in the city is productive. Nothing is working for me at all. Nothing. Everything I lay my hand, they block it.
Why are you stubborn? Stay in the village. The gods of our land has a purpose for you. But you wouldn't listen.
Mama, is that why they will allow me face the whole embarrassment I am facing in the city? Is that why they allow me face that kind of embarrassment, Mama? People will just come out from nowhere and embarrass me. Mama, in my presence, they take what belongs to me and I can't do anything about it. Mama, is that fair? Mama, what do the gods want from me in this village that they can't do for me in the city? Mama, what kind of wicked gods will allow their subjects suffer in the city because they don't want to stay in the village? What kind of gods is that?
My daughter.
Mama, today, Mama, you see today, I will go to the shrine and meet Ezemo. Mama, I will meet Ezemo and ask him questions. And if he doesn't give me reasonable answers, Mama, I will forsake the gods of this land.
Talking of Ezemo. Ezemo is long dead. Yes, the son now is the chief priest of this our kingdom.
Mama, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who is dead or who is alive. The gods remain the gods.
Yes, I know.
This nonsense must stop.
Help. Gods of our land. My son is back. How? Gods of our land. Thank you. Thank you. Hey!
Tell no one about the ring. Go home with the ring.
Ezemo, I am here to plead with you. Please, you people should leave me alone. Stay out of my business. If you cannot help me achieve anything reasonable, please leave me alone. Please. I mean, what is all this? Ezemo, what is all this? I came to you for blessing. What did you give to me? Pain, sorrow, tears, Ezemo. Please, let me be. If you cannot assist me to achieve anything in life, stay out of my business. I mean, why can't you? Is it by force to serve you and remain in this village? Is it by force? Can't I be rich and still be serving you from the city? Must I remain in this village? If people do not want to help me, please, allow me. In fact, see me as someone that is not from this community. Allow me to make money like my mates in the city. Please, leave me alone. It is done. Hey, 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 hey. The gods had finally broken their silence by the voice of Ekweje, their prophecy. Their prophecy. Hey, hey, hey. Mama, there's no need begging me. I'm going back to this. Mama, please stop. Stop. I've done what I came here to do. I've warned the gods. I have warned them to leave me alone. Since they don't want me to be successful, they should leave me alone. I have disowned them. They should also disown me.
Avadu, but can you stay with me for some days in the village, please?
Mama, how do you expect me to stay in this village without money? It's not possible. I can't stay in this village, Mama. Let me just go to the city. Eh? Let me go back to the city. When I make some more money, I'll come back and spend some time with you. Please.
My son, I have stories that I want to tell you.
Yeah. Mama, you have started again now. You're started. I'm talking about money. You're talking about story. It's your story, money, Mama. See, let me just go back to the city. Please, let me just go. When I make money, I'll come back. Then you can continue your story from where you stopped. I'm talking about money. You're talking about... Look, please, I don't want to miss night boss, because... Take care of yourself.
My son. My son. For how many years you left me in the village? I didn't hear or see you. For 12 years.
What kind of ring is this?
Ifne, what are you doing?
What kind of ring is this?
What ring?
This one.
Which one?
This one.
Ifne, stop playing with your hands and come to work so I can walk and go home early.
Nee, I'm serious. What kind of ring is this? I've not seen it before.
I'm not saying anything, and who is joking with you? Eh? Is it until your father starts shouting? That's when you know you come to work.
You don't have to wait for me to start shouting, because I am shouting already. If Nanya, will you stop with that joking and fiddling and get back to work? We need to cover this patch of land before it's sunset.
Is she still sitting down there?
I'll be right back.
Ifna! Ifna!
You see your daughter? Please let us walk. Let us walk. Oh.
Yeah. Don't worry, she'll meet you at home.
Remove your hand. Hey, Papa! Papa!
There is something strange about my sister. I don't know if I'm sure or if it's just a feeling.
It is not a feeling. Something is strange about me.
What did you just say?
I said that something is strange about me.
How do you know the thoughts in my heart?
That is because I can hear your thoughts.
Tell me, are you truly a witch?
I am not a witch. But I found something. I can do a lot of things.
You found something? And what could that be?
A ring.
The same ring Mama talked about? The same ring she has been looking for. Where is this ring?
This is it.
Where?
That is the problem.
I can't find the ring.
Neither of you can see it, but I am holding it here. Whenever I'm with the ring, I can do a lot of things and I can also hear people's thoughts.
I don't understand. Are you confirming to me that what those girls were saying is true?
Yes. And I wasn't with the ring the day I was attacked. That is why I did not know.
What then does this leave me? This is witchcraft. You're a witch.
It's not witch. Witches cannot do good things with the ring.
And what good have you done with the ring?
I healed Etiko of his affliction.
Who is here? Who is in this compound? Oh!
Shut her name, shut her name.
Oh, brother! Ifunanya! Hey!
Ifnanya!
Ifunanya!
My sister is dying.
There is nobody coming now. I will jump this gate. Thank God. Use the thank God you are here. So call your sister. Call Ifunanya. Why are you peeping? Call Ifunanya, sister. Don't tell me to calm down. Go and call your sister. Run, run! Oh! Ifu. Maya. Hey! Ifunanya, come now. Don't waste time. Ifunanya, come. Come on. Oh, hey. She's coming. Calm down. Come, please, come.
Please, Ifnanya, please.
Come and help me. My only beautiful angel. How can I take it easy when my woman is lying like this? Help me, please.
Please, my sister.
Please, though. What is? Help us first. Help us first.
Hey.
This madness.
Enough! What do you mean if Nanya help you? What is that? I said enough. My daughter is neither a healer nor a sorceress. How can she help you with this? Please, please, I don't want this madness anymore. All of you go home.
I cannot go anywhere. How do you expect me to live in this condition? Mbana, put yourself in my shoes.
Naya, please.
Naya, please, come and help. Help me.
But wait. If God has blessed you with this gift, it is crystal clear that you're blessed. I think you should use this gift to heal the people.
What do you mean?
I am scared.
There is nothing to be scared about. Look, I will protect you. You're my baby sister. I'm going to protect you. Just go ahead and do the right thing. Papa, Papa, allow her, Papa.
Stop from her, oh.
I told you! Lepunaya has the power! You like this? Thank you! Thank you!
I told you. Papa, I told you she's blessed. I told you.
Obiozo, take your sister inside.
Don't be scared, okay? Just come.
What is happening? No, this children must explain to me what is happening. Close this gate.
No, Igwe. The rumor can't be true. Some people are just trying to use me to destroy our only source of survival in this kingdom.
But come to think of it, no. How come that family is the only productive family we have had in this kingdom in the last 10 years? Look at it closely. Something is wrong somewhere.
Let's not think about that, Igwe. We all fed from his farm, no matter how he is doing it. It has not killed us, but I will send some guards to his house.
No. Don't send any more guards to that family. Let them be.
Igwe! May your days belong to your majesty. Oh no, your majesty, how was the palace going without me?
Okay, I was told you are bedridden with an affliction.
I was, your majesty, until yesterday. Even my family was expecting me to join my ancestors. And from nowhere, she walked in, rubbed her palm on my face 3 times, as I was told. And I became whole.
And who are you talking about?
Ifunanya, Nzekwe's daughter. She is the Messiah we have been expecting. I thank the gods that I'm alive to witness her.
Just tell me you are cracking a joke with me, because this has got to be a joke.
Your Majesty, am I not the one here speaking with you? Even as we speak, people are receiving their healing from Ifunanya, Nzekwe's daughter, at Nzekwe's house.
Osama.
Your Majesty.
Go to Nzekwe's house and bring Ifunanya here immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Wait! Do not go with any weapon. Let her come without the fear of what you might do to her, Your Majesty. Let her come with the courage of what is expected of her.
Oh no, you have a point.
Go ahead.
Osama, go to her. Go to Nzekwe's house. Simply ask Ifunanya that I request to see her in the palace.
As it pleases, Your Majesty.
Okay, Can I now hear your story in detail?
Your Majesty, you know, everything that happened is as I was told because I was unconscious throughout.
Look a bit worried. You won't be. If you're hungry, eat well. Go fix something. So what do I owe this visit?
The Igwe sent us to call Ifunanya that we need a healing service in the palace.
My sister is going nowhere. And I will not hesitate to drop anyone dead who tries to force her.
Obiozo, calm down. As you can see, we are not armed. We are not here for any arrest. We are only here to deliver the Igwe's request.
I do not care. Go tell your Igwe that my sister will come in her own time.
Sorry, you have to come with us immediately.
You see what I was telling you? You see what I was actually trying to make you understand? If we were not jealous of her, by now we should have been her closest friends and at least use this her talent to be making small money. But you wouldn't listen.
Is it that she's doing something that we cannot do? It's just to find the source of her power, to possess our own power.
And source of her power, you said? You opened your mouth to mention the source of her power. Yes. Then let me now gist you. The source of her power is the same woman. This same woman you literally made me to hate. At least by now, I should have gotten my own powers too.
We will go there to beg her for power. What is all this?
Without apologies? No, you go and beg her for powers without apologies.
Did we wrong her?
Should that even be a question? Should that be a question? Of course we did. Oh, you think if Naya don't tell her that we call her a witch? You think so?
She is the witch. Yes, that power is the same power we are going there to beg for. So why are you complaining? Let's go.
Okay, if you say so.
Please, give us power. Let us be able to heal people like Ifunanya.
Yes, we promise to keep it a secret. We promise not to tell anyone, just like Ifunanya.
And we will be a good witch. We will use our witchcraft power for good purposes only.
Yes, good purposes only. We can even be coming to sweep your house.
Yes. And we can even wash your clothes and cook for you. That anything you want us to do, just give us the power.
Just make us a witch.
You mean I should give you people power?
Yes. Yes.
So that you'll be bewitching people?
No, just for good purposes. Yes. We can even be making people rich. We can decide who will be rich and who will be poor. Yes. Just for good purposes.
Yes. And you look at this compound is dirty, right? And my cloth is it dirty that you come and wash? One will sweep. Come on, if you don't get out of this compound now, I'll call you fine. Look at these fools.
Obiozo, the great hunter of my land. I understand. You love your sister so much, and that explains why you decided to come with her to the palace.
Greetings once again, Your Majesty. Yes, I love my sister so much, but that is not the sole reason why I'm here. I came because of your summon.
But you're not supposed to be bothered about anything. If Rania, your sister here, is a special daughter of this land, and you should know she is always very safe in the palace.
Your Majesty, to what do I owe this invitation?
Ifunanya, I have heard a lot on how the gods of this land are using you to do a lot of things, touching lives, healing so many of the people that are down. It is as a result of that that I asked them to ask you to come to the palace.
I know what you want. You want me to heal your wife.
Exactly. Exactly.
But I am sorry. He who possesses the powers to heal your wife will soon be appointed by the gods. I do not have the power to heal your wife, my king.
Janet, what's your problem? Hey, Janet!
Don't push me down.
I'll push you.
Don't
I'll
even
push you.
try.
I'll push you, Janet.
Don't
Get out of
even
my way,
try.
my friend.
How am I standing in your way? Eh? Mr. Man, does this place look like a family house? Eh? Does this look like your father's compound? Or the mosque you live in? Take your time, oh.
Janet, don't push me. Oh.
Take your time.
Don't
oh.
push me, Janet.
You are the one pushing
Janet,
me.
you are just a tenant here. Oh. You are just a tenant here. You do not have the right to ask me out of this compound. Get out of my way, Janet. I wound you. I wound you.
Can you afford this house? Is it not your mate that built this house? Eh? Even the gate man that is living in this house is better than you. He is better than you.
This one. This is what you call house. This bungalow. This is what you call house. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look. Don't worry. Eh? Very soon I will build my own house. You hear me? Very soon I will build my own house. It will be bigger than this one. By that time I will remind you of this nonsense you just vomited with your mouth. Idiot.
Where you go?
My friend, will you get out of my way?
Where will you see the money? You think say na that kiosk where you there in? Come and enter this house. Let me see. Just try it.
Janet.
Don't push me down, though. I will lock you up. Eh?
Janet,
I will lock you up.
Get out of my way. I will push you. You enjoy yourself.
I'm not that wretched as
you
are.
will enjoy yourself.
I'm not that wretched as you are.
If I count one, you don't get out.
Try it first.
1.
Try it.
Janet, 2.
3.
Janet, 3.
100.
Janet, 4.
1 million.
Janet,
4,000. 4,000.
5.
100 million thousand.
Janet, 6. If I count to 10, you don't open this door.
Try me
Janet,
first.
I will push you and jam this gate.
Might, yes, slap, give you for face.
Chuma. Chuma, where are you coming from? Chuma, don't tell me you do not sleep in this house. Chuma, you said you never had anything to do with this guy. You said both of you had nothing going on between you two.
Let me.
I thought you said never had anything to do with this.
Thank you for taking care of my girlfriend. And as for you, When he calm down. I don't understand. Who asked you to do it? Eh? Who sent you? What is he doing here? What reason does he have to be here? See, you don't have any right to ask me that. See, you are beginning to piss me off, Janet. You are beginning to... Mind your business. It's my boyfriend. It's not your house. What is it?
He don't cast. Last. Now only you go chop breakfast. See, Eze. This season 2, episode 1 is very, very painful. Hello,
Zubby. Zubby, my heart is broken. My heart is shattered completely.
Anyway, it's a very painful experience when you are the protagonist. But when you are the antagonist, it's sweet. Hello?
Zubby, can you just stop this your foolishness and tell me what you want to tell me? I don't have time for this.
See, you need to go and make money. If you make money, in fact, unnecessary money, she will come back for you.
I know. I know that if I go and make money, Chioma will come back. But the problem is, by then she will become second hand. She will become Tukumbo. I mean, she will no longer appear the way she is before. I know that for sure that my heart will still want her, yes. But my eyes might not be satisfied with what I'm seeing again.
I have a question for you. Hello? Hello? I say hello.
You should be high! High!
I want to high. Because this question needs to be high. So that you can digest it very, very well. So do you need to be poor and protecting a lady from sleeping with another man? Answer me. Hello?
So I'm confused. I am totally confused. I do not know what to do right now. Chioma cannot do this to me. Chioma cannot treat me like this.
Listen. Listen. In your village, let me ask you this. Do you have Amadoha, Ikenga, or Arusokeja? All these deities, do you have it?
What has Ikenga, Amadioha, what has deity got to do with my heartbreak?
Bam! It has a lot to do. You need to go and summon them. If you bring cola, you bring hot drink, you bring alligator, you bring unzu, smoking and wine. Yes, when you brought all these things, then you will summon them. When you summon them, then you have to ask them, why are you poor?
Me?
Yes, because the where I've been seeing you as a billionaire. Yes.
The one who possesses the power to heal her will be appointed by the gods. Those were her exact words, Ezamuma. How come you are sitting before me, telling me that the gods are not speaking yet?
Igwe the gods are awake. They will respond to us through her.
Ezamuma, if you have become so useless that the gods no longer speak through you, I need you to resign and get out of that shrine.
The gods tell you that they no longer speak to me.
They don't need to tell me because I can see it. Okay, if they are speaking to you, tell me, who is that person who possesses the power to heal my wife?
She said soon. Be patient. The person will emerge. That's what she said.
Does it actually occur to you that I no longer sleep at night? Because of the constant way my wife keeps shouting. And you are here telling me this? Okay, let me ask you. If the gods are speaking through you still, when are they going to speak? Because you don't know when? Because the gods have abandoned you.
The gods have not abandoned me. The gods will speak to me when they will speak to me. Not when I want.
Okay, I think we need to understand ourselves on this. Are you by any means punishing me because of the death of your father? Now, how many times have I told you that I don't have anything to do with the death of your father?
Igwe Okanga, I am not punishing you. The gods will respond when they will respond.
Your Majesty, I think... Shut up! Shut up, I don't think! What is going on here? I need to understand exactly what is happening.
Your Majesty.
Everybody who is afflicted in this kingdom is healed already. How come my wife, the very first person to get afflicted, is still suffering with something? You are sitting down here telling me that you think? This one is sitting down here telling me that the gods are not talking. You know what? I need everybody to get out of my sight this minute.
Your Majesty.
I need everybody to get out. Your Majesty. You fool, you idiot, everybody, get out of my sight.
Even me, Your Majesty.
What's going on?
Obiozo, my children, please. I need to know what exactly is going on.
I don't understand your question.
What do you mean by you don't understand my question? What is it my question not to understand? Okay. Look at you, Obiozo. First, the Igwe arrested you. Then, Ifunanya was suddenly summoned to the palace. Look at, all of a sudden, Ifunanya, my own daughter, has just become a healer. She now heals people of their afflictions. Something is not adding up well now. And I need explanation. I need to know. Please tell me the truth, my children. Please.
Papa, just saying your children are gifted. We are blessed by the gods for a time like this.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. You cannot afford to lie to your parents. Eh? What kind of gift? Eh? Tell me the truth. We need to know.
I found the ring. I'm holding it now. But you cannot see it. And it's very powerful.
Hey. You found a ring. I cannot see anything. But okay. Explain to me. This invisible ring that I can't see, where did you find it?
I found it at the back of Mbafo's house.
Eh? Back of Mbafo's house? Please, my child, I do not want to even know where you found it or how you found it. But what I know for sure is that you have to return this invisible ring to wherever you found it immediately. Am I clear?
Papa, I was the one that found it now. She did not give it to me.
Hey! Mbafo. How am I sure that she did not set this ring somewhere for you to find and collect? Eh? Hey! Eh? If before you know what is happening now, this ring that you're talking about, this invisible ring, can you see the ring? Before you know what is happening now, this invisible ring will start to possess you. It will possess you. And you begin to act or become a witch. Eh? That's what I'm afraid of.
Papa, I don't understand. Are you saying Mbafo is evil or a witch?
I did not say anything, my son. All I am saying is that the days are evil in themselves. So we don't know who to believe and who not to believe. And what someone is capable of or not. But for certain, for sure, you will return this ring to wherever you found it. You say it's Mbafos, you must return it first thing in the morning. I don't want you to be manipulated. That is my final word on this issue. Talk to your daughter. Let her return this ring. That is final.
But she has brought sanity into this land. I mean, everyone here and there come to us, come to our household for help. And this has gone to a large extent to bring sanity upon the people of this land.
My children, my family is blessed by the gods. But I do not want the manipulation of an invisible ring. If the gods want to use you, my daughter, if the gods want to use you, they will use you. I don't want anybody to manipulate you. I have finished my talk on this matter.
I am very happy that the gods are using you to heal people. But like your father said, I don't want you to become a witch. Oh? If the gods must use you, they should use you without this ring. Please.
Mama, you're scaring
I
her.
want you first thing in the morning to return this ring back to where you got it from. Please. Please.
Mama, she's not a witch. You're scaring her, Mama.
Promise me you return this ring tomorrow morning. First thing in the morning.
Okay, Mama, I'll return it.
Because
I don't know how I'm able to advise people. And even the elders. My father might be right. This ring is not good for me. And it might turn me into something that I don't know. I have to throw this ring.
You have done well, my daughter. But more is required of you. Be strong, be bold, and be careful. Tribulations will come. Hard times will come. But your destiny can never be stopped.
What destiny?
In a short time, you will know. Throw the ring away. Throw the ring away and go.
Do this in person. Prepare this porridge for my son. 2 likes porridge and rice.
Mama, I want to go and buy the items I need for the sacrifice, so I can go and perform the rituals and ask the gods of our land for wealth.
You want to go and perform the rituals I told you 12 years ago. And now you allowed calamities to fall upon you. Is it not stubbornness?
Mama, you didn't explain these things to me. You didn't tell me that when I do the sacrifice and do all the necessary rituals, that the gods will bless me with money. You didn't tell me that. You stop making this thing look as if it's my fault. It's not my fault that this whole thing happened now. It's not my fault.
My son, I didn't tell you that when you do it immediately, you will make money. Hopefully, the gods may bless you after doing it. Yes. You don't trust me again.
Now you're sounding like my mother. Even though you are not even sure, but I know that if I do it, that the gods will bless me.
The gods will bless you.
Let me go and buy it.
As you can see, the elders are here. We want to know, what is this message you brought from the gods?
Igwe-O-Kanayo, vacate the throne of Iziala kingdom. For the gods wants to appoint a new king.
Are you sick in the head? I should do what? You want me to vacate the throne of my fathers? How dare you say that?
I have delivered the message from the gods. inherit the throne. For the throne is never yours and will never be.
Mama, you are insane. And I am going to treat you how people that are insane are treated. Oh no, did you listen to that? Oh no, can you imagine what this son of a cow is saying to me? Can you imagine that? Oh no, we are not saying anything. Did you hear what this son of a cow just said to me?
Igwe, what do you have me to say when the gods have spoken?
The gods have not spoken anything. This fool is the one that is making everything up. He wants to keep punishing me because of the death of his father. And I have told you I have no hands in what killed your father. How else am I going to say that to you?
But, Your Majesty, are you the one who killed his father?
I am not. But that is what they keep believing. I mean, all the useless young men in this kingdom looking for who they will hold responsible for their misfortunes.
Igwe, if you will calm down, there is a story my father told me, and I would like to share it with you.
Did you hear that? Did you hear this hoop wag we are calling your no? Can you imagine the issue we are discussing here, such a test issue, and you are telling me about a stupid story told by your stupid father? Shut up. Hey, shut up. In a time like this, you know. Okay, tell me the story.
Gods of our land, gods of our land, it is said that you're a blesser of your people. I have come to you this day with these sacrificial items. Please, the gods of our land, accept my sacrifice and bless me. Bless me and make me wealthy. The gods of my fathers, I have suffered all my life. Please, I beg you, accept this sacrifice.
Mama, I am confused.
Oh, where is the ring?
I threw it away just as the voice instructed.
Mama, I want to go back to the city. I have this confidence now that if I go back to the city, I will make it. In fact, my coming back to this village, I will come with my own car.
Oh, yeah,
Mama, you see this our house? See this nonsense that we're living? Mama, I will bring it down. I will build us the biggest mansion in this kingdom.
That is my son.
Let me go get my bag.
What is it?
The ring. He's wearing the ring. It is not possible.
Once you've discovered the ring, I will tell you a lot of it.
Mama, I'll see you. Eh? What will I get for you when I come back? What do you mean that way? Don't worry, I know what to get for you. I mean, you cannot be taking care of my mother and I won't get you anything. I'll get some. Mama, don't worry, I know what to get for her.
Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I made sure to throw the ring away where nobody could find it. How is it possible that he's wearing the same ring?
Mama, Mama, you are welcome. Have you fed your gods? Hello?
Zubby, we'll talk about that later. I am very, very hungry. Did you make any sales?
Yeah! I sold all the bread.
You did what?
Yes, I sold it now.
Zubby, don't tell me you sold the bread I kept inside the carton.
I sold it now.
Zubby, how can you do that kind of thing now? That bread is spoiled.
Yeah.
Zubby, how can you sell spoil something so... Do you want to scare my customers? How can you do a thing like that?
You see, I don't blame you. You have the spirit of poverty inside you. See, the best way to make money is for you to sell anything. If you sell anything, you make money anyhow. In fact, I want to make you rich, yo. Look at this one. Me rich? Yes.
Alright, let me have the money. You shouldn't have sold that bread.
I said, take. You should be very happy that I sold everything. Huh? Ask 2,000 naira.
2,000 naira?
2,000.
How?
Yeah.
Just the bread I have here is more than 3,500. How come? I know you sold other things. That you said you sold biscuits, you sold granite. So how come you're giving me 2,000 naira?
I sold some on credit now. That is it.
You sold some on credit?
Yes.
I collected these goods on credit. And you sold the goods on credit. In a shop that is not your own. In a shop that's 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 not your own.
Don't make me high. Hello? Don't make me high. Because if you make me high, this is just because I came here to help you.
Don't fire you. Don't fire your mouth. You came here to help me. You help me or you're helping yourself. Look at you. No. Take a good look at you. You eat everything. You eat everything. No matter what you eat in this show, you eat less life.
See, look at you. You're calling me skeleton.
Of course.
You're calling me skeleton. See, if I get high, I will disable you. I will squeeze you. Say, you don't know me. You don't know what the stuff I'm made of.
Ross, that's it.
Hold your greetings. All I want now is my father's money. I want it right now.
I'm just look at my father. Please, just help me tell your father, tell my landlord that he should just give me till weekend. I already made plans to come and see him by weekend, but I'm feeling it. Because I beg, just tell him, you know, go pass this weekend. I swear.
Okay. I will allow you to come to my father's house next weekend to pay. But you will give me 10,000 naira now. I want to play Bet Naija.
Boss, I don't stop you from playing Bet Naija, but I don't give you 10,000 naira. Do you just want to keep my shop here? I don't think that I give you. Now, what is it?
Sorry, landlord. In fact, I sold some on credit. Understand? Only 2,000 naira.
You see how God has exposed you? Please count my money and give me, let me go. Count my money and give me, let me go. Count my money and give me, let me go. SIB.
Wait. Are you a magician? Man, have you joined them? Let me know. How? How come such more? Maybe there will be. Because I know that I give you 2,000.
It was just 2,000 I give you.
Did you borrow money from?
No. Even pay that I drank in the bank. It's not what the pay that you.
I soak myself. See, I am 100% sure that you didn't have atom of 1 naira in your pocket. I said, how come? How come? Please. I want you to tell me the undiluted truth. Have you joined secret cult? Yes. Because all these things that have been happening has nothing to do with goddess of your river, goddess of your swimming pool, goddess of your son, or goddess of the world. Yes. I cannot eat anything here without you telling me the truth. Are you into rituals?
Zubby, you know you're not someone I can lie to. I am not into any ritual. I am not into any secret cult. I've told you before. It is the ring I am wearing.
Stop! I said stop! Stop this nonsense you're talking about. Stop this rubbish. Do I look like a fool at 40? Do I look like a fool at 40? Why are you fooling me like this? What?
Can you just keep quiet and listen to me? I'm not playing with your head. Okay. I'm telling you the truth. I am not into any ritual. It is the ring I'm wearing. In fact, it baffles me how you can't even see the ring that I'm putting on. Look at it, I'm wearing the ring.
See, let me tell you something. I have discovered who you are. You're telling me you see the ring, but I cannot see any ring. I cannot see anything that looks, or any image that looks like a ring. I know who you are. You have joined the secret cult and you are on a mission. They have sent you for you to make me mad and use me to make money. You want to turn emergency big man. Yes, but it will not work. Over my dead body, it will not work. That your invisible ring cannot work on my body. Look at me from head to toe. It cannot work.
You know, if not that I want you to eat this food in peace, I would have given you a little slap. What's wrong with you? So if I'm doing ritual now, I want to use someone. It's not someone like you. Are you normal? No, if I want to use someone for money ritual, it's you. How much can your head cough out? Be very careful. Please allow me to eat this food in peace.
See, before I will eat this food, you have to test my own first. If you test my own and you didn't turn to money, then I have to eat it.
Now I can see that you're mad. You're completely mad. No, don't eat the food. Wait. Idiot. No, don't eat. Just wait.
Stop now. Eat the other one.
You better have the food. Zubby, let me have the food. I've eaten that one already.
Let me test the meat.
Eat this one.
Oh, stop it now so that this thing can digest in my body.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! How can I help you people? Leave me alone! You brought me back to my father's house. I don't have anything. I don't know how to help you people. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! What is all this? What is all this? Will I give myself for you people? I don't have anything. This is my father's house. This is my father's house. I cannot help you people. I cannot help you people. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Ezekuche, you have what it takes to help us in this land. You found it. It's yours now. Use it well and use it with wisdom. Believe that it can do all things as long as it is for something good. Yes, use it for something good. It will do all things. Yes, Ezekuche. Believe.
Leave me alone!
Zubby, what is it now? Eh?
What is it? Wait, Eze. I want to be 100% sure that this thing will work.
How can you say a thing like that now? Eh? Look, I have no doubt that this will work. Hmm? Hello?
Hi. Hello. Eze, hello. See, Eze, I don't want to be high. I don't want to be high. Because if we test this thing and this thing didn't work, definitely police will come and catch us and thinking that we are scammers and hand us over to EFCC. Yes.
You see why I never wanted you to follow me? You see, this was exactly why I never wanted you to follow me. Look, it will work. It will work. Calm down. You will go back home.
No.
You just go back home.
We have to test.
Let's go.
Madam, I want to POS.
My fellow woman, I greet you. I celebrate your grace.
You don't know why I see you.
Yes, that is how Tana they fire me these days.
What are they fire you? Okay, how much?
20,000.
Take the charge.
Okay. Okay, put your plate. My printout, no,
no, wahala.
Obodede lugo jijiji. Obodede lugo ya ya.
My fellow woman.
Obodede lugo ya ya. Obodede lugo jijiji. Obodede lugo ya ya. Oh eh.
This is not embarrassment. See where you carried me to. A very cheap fun. You carried me to a dustbin where I cannot exercise the kind of person I am. You see all these 5-star restaurants. You cannot carry me. You cannot take me to that place. It is this toilet that you just decided to bring me in. No problem. I can manage it. No problem. Huh?
You know the problem? Ingratitude. Ingratitude, that's what your problem. You cannot appreciate me for this one. My own money, I took you out. You cannot appreciate me. Don't you know when you appreciate me for this one, this little one? I might decide to take you to 5-star hotel.
Yes, hello. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
No problem, I understand you. Maybe after this, we can migrate to a bigger place. See, if we withdraw another money, if you withdraw another money, we have to buy things for ourselves. We have to equip ourselves very, very well. Then we'll go to Choma's house and prove to Choma that anybody can make it in life. Yes.
Listen, you cannot tell me what to do. Okay. You cannot tell me what to do. I already have my plans. I have everything planned out.
Okay.
You see Choma? You see Choma? She will regret ever breaking my heart.
Now, she will definitely regret it. You see Choma? Hey! Choma will 100% plus will regret all her actions. You see? That money is coming big. You are going to give me my own. And when you give me my own, then I'll buy things for myself. Do you know that Janet will come and kneel down in front of me and be begging me? And she will be telling me, please, can you manage me? Yes.
That's not a problem. I'll give you money for that.
That is very good. You see, the kind of money that you're going to give me is the kind of money that I will use and build mansion in my father's house. See, my father thought that I am a liability. My father thought that I am a hermaphrodite. That I can never be anything in this life. I want to prove my father wrong. Yes, I want to prove him wrong. See, what I want to do now is, if you give me that money, I will build mansion. Then I'll buy a exotic car for myself. Then I will also hire a driver that will carry me. Then I will relax like a big man.
Great. Huh? You just metamorphosed from ingratitude to greed. That's your problem. Greed. Where do you expect me to give you that kind of money from? Listen. Let me tell you. Miri will not allow me to give you such money.
Hello?
Miri will never accept.
Hello, Miri. Miri. Who is this Precious?
My ring. My ring is in Miri. My ring is precious. Yes. I call it my precious because it's precious to me. Miri will not accept to give you more than 200,000. Of course. Because he knows that you will lavish it on women, food and drink.
Listen. Hey! Hello! Hello! Listen. Have you seen it? Have you seen selfishness? Both of us suffer together. Both of us suffer together to make this money. And we are here. You try to corner yourself to eat this money only you.
Will you shut up before I slap your eye? You and who suffer together? You and who suffer together? Listen. It's my ring. My ring, I found the ring myself. It is my own. It belongs to me. Respect yourself.
I soak myself with the blood of Pamela. See, listen, this is improper fraction. This is a sign of inequality. You can never offer my dead body that you will eat that money alone. We have to share it 50-50. We will share it.
Zubby, stand up.
Sir.
Sit down. Up. Down. Mama! Are you okay? Mama?
See, when will you realize the gods are punishing me because of your unrepentant wickedness?
No. Maybe they are punishing me for marrying an evil woman. An evil woman who came into this palace to destroy me and destroy the kingdom by extension. Nonsense.
I was on your side when you commit all these atrocities, remember?
Be very mindful the kind of rubbish you say before me. Before I strangle you with my bare hands. Stop it!
You do no such thing. Release those children. Have remorse for once. Be remorseful.
Well, you are going to die soon. I am certain the gods will kill you. You are going to die in their hands. You will never die in my hand. It's not possible. But if you fail to die before I marry this second wife I am planning to marry, the kind of death you will experience, nobody will be able to describe it.
You have not my life in your hands. My life is not in your hands. You can't even do anything to me.
I have to be very sure and to understand this thing very, very well, very, very vividly. What kind of insult is this? How can rank disgrace someone like me in the public? The same rank that gave us the money. Like Tana just defied us. How? See, I'm suspecting something. This is the way occult people does their things. Yes. If you look at it, that is how occult people does their things. This ring, it didn't come from their village, you. It didn't come from their village at all. Ezekiel, I have to be very, very careful with you. Because the way I'm saying things, very soon you will use my kidney. You will use my heart and my propeller for money ritual. I have to be very, very careful with you before Thunder will fire you. If you try it, Thunder will go fire both of us. You can understand me? See, I need to find out. This ring. I need to find it out. Let me see this ring because I need to see it with my clear eyes. Which hand this ring? Pina.
Why can't you all let me be? Where is everyone? Why have you all forsaken me?
It is you who has forsaken us.
Mama, how have I forsaken you? I have been here calling out to everyone and no one wants to stand beside me.
See our home? No, it's not home. You abandon us. But I have come to take you home.
No, Mama. I cannot go with you. I have to get well first.
There is no time for that. All you need to come home.
No,
now.
Mama. No, Mama.
I cannot go with you until I achieve what I'm here to achieve.
You already have all it takes. Only use it well. Use it well. Ezekweche, use it well.
Mary. 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 I need 1 million naira in my account. Now. What is it? I can see. Come. 1 million! I soak myself with the blood of Pale. No, we're dreaming. Can you slap me? 1 million there! 1 million! 1 million!
No, this is too much. Bring her out. Bring her out.
Hey!
Go, we are going to Ezamoma. Hey!
I'm on my way. I'm coming. Hello, I'm coming. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sorry to bother you. Have you seen Ezekweche? Ezekweche, he no longer lives there. Oh. Sorry. Do you have any idea if they dropped a phone number or an address in case anybody's looking for them? No, I was on my way out. Bye. See you. Thank you.
Obodede lugo ya 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 oe jijiji obodede lugo ya 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 obodede lugo jijiji obodede lugo ya 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 oe.
Kenneth is threatening to lock you up. Choma, why are you being this stubborn?
And why do you feel I'm threatened? He can't do anything.
And who is coming for your rescue? Richard Ezekweche. Come to think of it, why is he even called Ezekweche? Because he's supposed to be called Ogboekweche.
See, Janet, don't you ever refer to my choice of a man as that again. Else, you will leave here.
Come here. Come and attack this car. Come. Don't let me sleep. Don't let me beat you up. Come and attack this car, my friend. You think that?
Leave me alone.
I'm not going inside that car.
Just leave me.
Come inside that car. My friend, go inside that car. Are you mad?
Oh, I see. You came with a borrowed car. You think that is all? Who gave you a car? Side, when did you even learn? Who taught you how to drive? Eh? Now, my friend, you should better respect yourself. Will you go inside? Go inside, my
Choma.
I said, go inside.
Choma, I said, come here.
Calm down.
Do not start what you cannot finish. Bam. You hear me? Bam. It seems you don't know who you're still talking to.
When men are talking, boys, stay mute.
Not boys, apprentice.
Kneel down.
Power pass power. Power pass power.
Hands up.
Oh. As well. Don't be betrayed. Power pass power. It's a question. Power pass power. It's a question. Hello.
Ken, is this?
It has nothing to do with witchcraft. What is it? She's only feeling the pain of the ring being misused.
The ring?
Yes, the ring.
Hey! But Ezamuma, all these things you're saying sound strange to me. Yes. I know I heard this story, just like a fairy tale while I was a child.
Okay.
But I never believed. In any case, all of these things have nothing to do with me or my family. Nothing.
You know the story is not a lie, nor is it a mystery. It is the truth about our kingdom. And that correction must be made.
Okay. How am I supposed to know that none of this is a lie? How?
You are yet to see the evidence. They lived in the past. They all came back to fulfill the destiny they could not do in their past life.
Zubby, she said the truth. Nothing happened.
Are you sure?
Are you doubting what my precious can do?
Not at all.
Who is Precious?
It's you, my darling. It's okay. I sit.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. It was...
Hey! Sorry for what? What's sorry? You don't do what? It is intentional. Everything you did is intentional. If you like, you can carry a bucket of tears. Let your eyes start overflowing with flood, so that you can deceive us. We don't care. We can't forgive you. This is agent of darkness from pit to hell. We cannot forgive you over our dead body. You're a devil.
Janet, I forgive you. I hold no grudge against you. You're lucky. You're lucky that idiot had nothing to do with my baby here sexually. Get up.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ese coche. Ezekweche, have you seen your life? Have you seen your life? They serve you breakfast. Season 1, episode 1 to 8. Season 2, episode 1 to 8. And season 3, episode 1, you ended it. Ezekweche, you're not the man that I know. Eze, let's forgive her. She's a good girl. Yes.
Mama, are you trying to say that Obiozo, my son here, is my grandfather's brother? My late grandfather's brother?
Your daughter here is the ring bearer. But I do not know how she misplaced the ring to the wrong hands. And the person is using it wrongly. And it's not good. It's not.
If I had known, I would not have asked her to throw away the ring.
Okay. Ezamuma, I know that you are the eyes of the gods.
Exactly.
The mouthpiece of the gods.
Very good.
The intermediate between man and the spirits.
Good.
Ezamuma, please, tell us, ask the gods to reveal to you who has this ring, where the person is now, Ezamuma, so that I can go and retrieve that ring to save my daughter's life. Please, Ezamuma.
Easy. Your daughter here is the ring bearer. She's the only one that has the power to find the ring. She's the only one that possesses the power.
Okay, Ezamuma. Please, please, you just wake her up for me now. Let me find out from her who has the ring so that I can go and retrieve this ring. We want to go.
Relax. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Let me come in.
Please. Hey, Obiozo.
Obode de lugo jijiji, obode de lugo ya ya ya, oh jijiji, obode de lugo ya ya ya, obode de lugo jijiji, obode de lugo ya ya ya, the youngest millionaire in dollar is in town. Hello.
Beautiful daughter of our father. Talk to your parents. Oh? Ifunanya, tell me where the ring is. Or who is with the ring. Just open your mouth. Tell us now. And I'll go and find the person and return the ring to you. Please, my child.
Ifunanya, you don't have to die in silence. Tell us who the person is, so that I can go and collect that ring and return it.
You cannot collect the ring because you cannot see the ring. You do not have the power.
See, leave that one for me, your father. Just tell me who the person is. I will get to that person and I will cut off both of the person's wrists. Whether it's a man or a woman, I will cut off the wrist and come back with the ring. Ifunanya, please now, tell us.
You cannot hurt whoever is with the ring. It is the will of the gods.
What will of the gods? It is not the will of the gods for you to die protecting that person. Ifunanya, Tell us who this person is, so that we can go and collect that ring and return it so that this trauma of yours can stop.
Whatever that is happening to me is the will of the gods. Worry about yourselves and not me.
Hey! Again? Again? Well, before we continue, it is not every day that a young man comes into the palace, presenting rings to the king and offering money for kola nut. But we are not going to reject, because it is something that comes to the king. But we need to know, who are you?
Well, Your Majesty, I am the son of the old poor widow Bafo.
Oh. What's that your name again?
Ezekuche.
Ah. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Welcome, son. Now we can say that you are welcome. And the things you brought are fully accepted.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Good.
Thank you. Your Majesty, without wasting your time, I would like to go straight to the reason I'm here.
Okay, that would be nice.
Your Majesty, the gods of this land have shown me so much mercy. And they have blessed me with so much wealth. Your Majesty, and as a philanthropist that I am, I want to extend that same love to the youths of this kingdom. I want to sponsor them in business and in education. I mean, a handful of them. I'll raise capitals for them and sponsor those that want to go to school, Your Majesty. I want to set up infrastructures in this kingdom. And in the same vein, Your Majesty, you agree with me that the palace is outdated. So I want to build us an edifice. I want to set up a modern structure that other neighboring kingdoms will look up to, Your Majesty. All I ask for is for the youths of this kingdom to accept me.
Good. And from what you said, you drove straight to this place. That means I'm not even going to see your mother.
Yes, Your Majesty. I mean, I said to myself that it could be an insult if I enter this kingdom with so much success without coming to pay my respect to my king first.
Yeah. This is good.
Thank you.
Very brilliant indeed.
Thank you.
Well, we have heard all you have presented. Good thing the elders in council are here. We are going to arrange all the people that you need to meet. And we can pick it up from there.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
As a question,
Your Majesty.
Hello! Can somebody hear hello? Here! Yes! The youngest millionaire is in town! The youngest millionaire is in town! Ezekwete is in town!
I did not forsake you, my people. I did not forsake you. Ezekweche is back. Ezekweche has broken the chain and backbone of poverty. I have more than enough to take care of the entire youth of this kingdom. Ezekweche is back.
Yes.
Go and tell everyone.
Hey!
Tell everyone that Ezekweche, the dollar man, is back. Tell them to come to my mother's house. I will turn their lives around.
The youngest millionaire! The youngest millionaire in dollar!
Say it again.
The youngest millionaire in dollar! Ezekweche is in
Roots of our land, what have I done wrong? I stand against the atrocities and the evil my husband committed. Yet he chose to abandon me. He chose to abandon me. Light has come to our kingdom. still in this pain. I'm still in this pain.
Your Highness, it's okay. The ghost knows your pain. It's okay, please. It's okay. What's pregnant? The baby, is it coming out? What?
I told you that when next I will visit this village, it will be so much money. Mama, your son has arrived. Ezekweche has arrived. Mother, I am back with so much money. So much money. Mother, don't worry. I will take you to the city so that you can have some good 5-star treatment, you know? So that your skin will change.
See, Mama, your son has made money. Ezekweche is on top of money. Money making machine.
Yes, you can say it again, my brother.
Money making machine.
Mother, what do you want? You want car? You want house? Clothes? Name it, mother. I will give it to you. Mother, your son have arrived.
Eat money.
So much money. So much money.
So
much money. Mother, step on it. Step on it. Step on it.
The money making machine.
If you do not know what to do with the ring, give it to me.
And what nonsense are you talking about?
Oh, please do not pretend. Do not act as if you do not know what I am talking about.
Are you insane?
Give me the ring.
Get out of here.
I will not sleep here without the ring.
I said, get out of this place now.
Give me the ring and I will leave.
Zubby, take this idiot out of this place.
If you as much as lay a finger on my sister, I will deal with you.
Who is this?
If you touch her, who is this one gecko? Touch her. Just touch her. I said, get out.
Who is this one?
You think the ring will work on me? It is so funny how you know what the ring can do, but do not know how to use it. That ring cannot work when I am around. Not until you do the necessary things. Give me the ring now.
Zubby, take care of this incoming.
Come back! Come back here! Come. I said, don't touch me. If I touch you, what will you do? I will swallow you.
You can't even see what you're asking for. I will ask you politely. Get out of this place. Leave this compound now and never show your ugly face here again.
Left hand, pinky finger, that is where the ring is.
Ah! You think I do not know this trick? You must have seen me touch it. Alright, fine. Tell me, where's the ring?
Left hand index finger.
Ifnaya, how did you know about this ring?
That is what I do not know the answer to. But what I want is for you to give me the ring. Or to know the purpose of the ring.
Name your price. How much? Ifnaya, how much do you want and I'll pay you off?
Money. Is that what the ring means to you? Give it to me.
I have tried negotiating with you. But it seems you're stubborn. Listen. I can strangle you here. I can strangle and kill you here and nothing will happen.
You cannot hurt me. You cannot even scratch me. You cannot do anything to me. Okay? But I just know that you do not know what you are doing. Give me the ring!
Never! Read my lips. Never! You can't take the ring away from me.
Okay. But just have it in mind that this ring you're having is for a different purpose. Not for this life you're living now. I will allow you to go talk to Mama. But I will be right back.
Ifunaya, you want to take my ring away from me, my precious. I will not let you. The next time I see you in this compound again, I'll kill you. No one dare touches my mirror. No one dare touches my mirror. It is mine. It is mine.
Igbo-Okanayo, if I may speak.
Go ahead and speak. I'm listening.
I don't know if you remember the mystery surrounding that boy's birth. The mother was barren for 30 years. And when everybody believed she has crossed menopause, she became pregnant. The husband died when she was pregnant. She gave birth to that boy. And everybody was wondering how she could train the boy. But the boy grew up strong and healthy even in the midst of poverty. The boy left this kingdom 12 years ago when the afflictions, poverty and sickness started. Now he has returned in this kingdom with unimaginable wealth.
What exactly are you driving at?
If you know whose story is true, I know the best way to cleanse this kingdom.
I am listening.
You know, my grandmother told me a story. The story when she was telling me, I thought it's a story unimaginable, made up to...
Can you stop beating about the bush? Go straight to the point.
Your Majesty, the only way to cleanse this kingdom is through the ring bearer.
Ring bearer?
Yes, Your Majesty. Ring bearer.
Who is the ring bearer and what has she or he got to do with him?
You need to go inside. You need to go inside and pack your things. We're leaving this village now and never to return. Go in and pack your things now! You know what? Don't worry. I'll go and pack it for you. Zubby, come!
I don't understand.
Zubby, come!
Hey! Why? Oh, let's go. Let's Listen, I have used very strange power to hypnotize this girl. I need you to confirm to me that you are sure of what you are saying. That if I should go ahead and kill her, that he will die. I don't want to kill an innocent child. You understand that? Igbo-Okanayo, I don't know why you are still arguing with me.
Kill this girl. Kill her and end all this. Are you not the tough Igbo I used to be?
I am the tough. I am the tough. Listen, I am still tough. But you need to understand that I am actually considerate. I am not as evil as all of you are trying to see me. I don't want to murder the daughter of the only productive man we have in this kingdom. I am a considerate person. I am nice, but I'm good. Are you sure? I'm asking you, are you sure that if I should go ahead and kill this girl, that is the end of everything? I know what to do. Kill this girl and finish I hypnotized this girl.
Igbo Kanga, if you had listened to me, all this would have ended.
Shut up, my friend, you stupid idiot. If you were so sure that killing this girl would have solved the problem, why didn't you kill yourself? Get out of this place, Yonyala. Come and see my position. Traitors. Traitors, all of you. You brought her for me to kill her. Why didn't you kill her if you were so sure that killing her would solve the problem? Idiot.
It's okay. It's okay. Bring her leg down.
Hey. Leave that person. Leave that person there. Get out. Leave her, bro. Leave her. Leave her there. Just leave her. Get out, both of you.
Have you seen what you brought upon us?
No.
Is it when we all die in this palace, you will leave the throne, the gods?
Look at
Say you should leave.
Look at a dead woman talking about death. Are you not dead already? You are dead already. Nonsense.
It's you that is dead. You are mentally dead. Psychologically dead. And spiritually dead.
How I wish you were the one they killed. Why were you not the one that they killed? Why?
What are you waiting for? Why not kill me? Why will you be ranting? Don't stand there and rant. Kill me.
Can you just drink poison and die? Drink poison and die. Shut up. Well, maybe you will just close your eyes if you are sleeping and then you pass out. That's how people are dying. That old witch troubling me every day. Old witch. What is this?
We have gods in this house. You can actually use one and kill me.
I am not going to contaminate myself like becoming part of the death of a useless woman. Die on your own. Die on your own and give me peace. What is wrong with you? Which?
The ones the gods preserve are the ones that are alive.
You are very stupid to talk about the gods. The gods are not preserving you. You are the only one that knows where you go, where you got the power that is keeping you alive. I will put this inside your mouth. You will chapter into me and I'll shut up. Die. Refuse to die. Udara.
Gods of our land, the hour has come. Show yourself. Prove yourself. The mother hen come as her children when there is danger.
Is it what?
It is done.
It is done. Thank you so much. Is it?
They can go home.
What is that? Why are you standing on my way? What's the meaning of all this? Why are you boys standing on my way? By the way, who are you?
You have to go with us now.
To where? I'm not going anywhere with you. Get out of my way. I can't go anywhere with you. Come on. Who are you? Let's go. Who are you?
Ifnaya, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry for everything I put you through. Okay, as for the ring, you can have it. I mean, there's no point having it when I can be killed through you. Please, you just have it so that you can protect yourself and protect me as well. I'm sorry. Zubby, you have seen and you have heard everything. Okay, I do not need to ask you to go back to the city. What are you still doing here?
Hello? Hello? Is it? I don't understand. What are you even saying now?
What I am saying is that you need to go back to the city. Okay, you can't stay here. Listen, this is my cross. Let me carry it. Okay, I do not want anything to happen to you. Okay, I will send you 10 million naira. Okay, the 10 million naira you asked for, I will send it to you. In fact, if you want me to make it up to 1 billion, I will do that. Okay, you need to go back. You can't stay in the shrine. And for all the information and everything that you have seen and heard, your life is at stake. You need to go. Please.
Hello? Hello? Is it? I soak myself with the blood of my wife. Say, you are going to send 10 million naira to me?
I will forward it to you. In fact, before you pack your things, before you get your things and start leaving, I will send it to you. You need to go.
Say, what am I doing here? What am I doing here in your village? Even if your village is heaven, I would choose 10 million naira to your village.
I will send it to you.
As I'm talking to you now, I am high. I am high, yes.
You need to start with.
I'm going now. Going now.
You need to drop my bag so you don't go with my bag. I will send you 10 million naira.
You have to do it sharp, oh?
You both must understand the importance of this mission. This must not be one of those missions. You would send people and they will go and make mistakes. There must be no mistake. She must be killed before you leave the place. Don't leave anything under assumption. You must confirm her dead before you leave. Come to work.
Something has to be done, Papa. Pick up. Eh?
Chikodere.
Papa.
How many times did I call you? 12 years ago, you were still a child. And that is when all these things started. We have done all we could. But each time we try, we see our elders dying. That is why I am always careful, very, very careful going to the palace. Eh? Allow the wish of the gods to be done. Let them have their way.
Papa, see, no matter the consequences, something has to be done.
Something like what? Eh? Something like what?
Papa, we can't continue.
Come on, go inside and bring my food. Go inside.
Rise! I say rise! And go! And appease the spirit of the dead. The innocent blood. The innocent blood are crying for vengeance. This tax must be carried out at the cemetery. Night. By 12 midnight. At the cemetery. That is where you will do it. And that is where what you're looking for, what you seek for, will give it to you. Don't forget, 12 o'clock at the cemetery.
What is it? What is the problem? Who are you? What do you want?
Today marks your last day on this planet Earth.
Is that a prank or what? This is an instruction from the king, young man.
Ifeanya, what did you do?
They are dead. Let's leave this place. Come. Let's go. Please.
Welcome, my children. Here is the entrance to the cemetery. My children, the loins of my lineage, descendants of Ojukwu, I welcome you. The peace which you seek, Ifunanya and you, Obiozo, has finally been given to you. For the evil ones have all been wiped out. I am happy that throne, which was forcefully taken away from your descendants, our descendants, has finally been given back to you.
Wampa, are you the one Ezamuma spoke about?
I try. There is a lot to not know.
Come. I'll tell you. It happened a long time ago.
You see, today is my happiest day. And you see, at the village square, they are drinking, they have cola nuts, they have everything. We are celebrating. And I'm very, very happy. Now, listen. When I had this girl, my daughter, they said I cannot have more children. Said the gods blocked my wife's womb to have children. No. Then I went in search. What do?
And then they said I should go and consult the gods, which I did. Eventually, after consulting the gods, we retrieved a royal ring. Yes, and you can go and sit down. The royal ring we got, they said we will have a child, a male child though. Now, with that male child, once we present the royal ring, that child is the crown prince of this kingdom. And here I have my prince and the king of this kingdom. We will present the royal ring at the village square. Let's go.
No matter what happens, when we get to my family, we will continue with the celebration. Oh yes. We will continue with it.
My king, is there a problem?
What is it? Let's begin.
What is going on, my king?
What is that?
No! Who are you? Come out! Come on.
Hold it! Hey! Go down! I said go down! Down! Hey, Etiko! Don't harm! Don't harm! Hey! Don't harm royalty! Don't harm them! Hey! Don't harm! Don't harm them!
Woman, where is the royal ring?
I don't know what you are talking about.
You don't know what he is saying.
No, I don't know.
Where is the royal ring, woman?
I don't know what you are talking about.
You don't know where you hide it?
No, I don't know.
She don't know. She don't know. You don't know.
No.
Where is the ring?
I don't know.
Where is the ring? Huh? You don't know. Oh yes. Now we have succeeded in our plans. What next? What next? It is for me to become the Igwe. And you, I will make you know. That is very, very good. Yes. But what about his child? Still a small boy. He's a small boy. You can deal with that. You can deal with that. Huh? The throne is mine. Ago.
Kinga.
Ago.
Kinga.
Go kill the princess and the prince. The prince. The prince. What about royal drink?
The royal drink.
Hey, the royal drink. Kill the princess and the prince. The royal drink.
Yeah. We will do as you have commanded, the king.
Ago.
Make sure you get it. Very, very important. We will do as you have said, the king.
Good.
At once.
I trust you. Ago.
Expect good results.
Ago.
Let's go.
Darling.
Now we have two things we need. The child and
the child is not the problem. That royal ring. Ago will deal with the child, the princess and the prince. Ago will deal with them. I just need that ring. That ring.
That was how I was killed and my entire family wiped out. Since then, I never had peace of mind. And I swore that the land will never know peace until that which rightfully belongs to me is given back to me. But I'm happy. I'm happy. That throne has finally come back to my generation. Now the land can have peace. As for you, my son, Etiko, grandfather, I thank you for taking the bold step to bring my children to me. I thank you. You will know no lack. Peace of mind is yours. Wealth is yours.
Thank you. Thank you, grandfather.
I leave you in peace.
Evil man. You see what your evil has cost you. Leave the throne that does not belong to you. You refused. My pain is the agony you cost me for 12 years. I'm free. That's what that matters. I'm free. Thank God.
people of Ezala Kingdom, I present to you Igwe Nzekwe Okulora II of Ezala Kingdom.
Thank you very much, my people. Thank you. Now is the time for us to proceed to the central field for the actual ceremony. Eh?
My father.
Igwe, let us go.